Work orders is a feature that enables the dispatcher to send orders to users or for users to report an event to the dispatcher in case of an accident. When there is an accident, that the well lid is lost, security takes pictures and videos of the details and uploads them to the dispatcher. After understanding the details, the dispatcher creates a work order and assigns it to the maintenance staff. Maintenance staff receives the work order and proceed to the site for maintenance. All progress is feedbacked to the dispatcher, who can monitor the entire process in real time. With the work order system, dispatcher can monitor progress in real time and alert maintenance staff promptly in case of delays. After all progress is finished, the dispatcher can summarize and archive it for further analysis.